In this video, we're going to do a couple problems that are similar to problems that I assigned in the My Math Lab homework. In particular, we're going to be finding the function values of an exponential function given some other piece of information. So, for example, there's one that looks just like this. It says if f of x equals a to the x, now we don't know what a is, but if f of x equals a to the x and f of 3 is equal to 8, then find f of 5. Okay, and we can assume a is greater than 0. Okay, so f of x equals a to the x. What would be f of 5? Well, f of 5 would be a to the 5th, but what is a? Okay, we need to find a first. So we're going to use this piece of information here. Okay, now notice f of 3 should be a to the 3rd power, right? If we just look at this formula here, plug in 3 for x. Now you don't plug it in for a, right? You plug it in for x. F of 3 equals a to the 3rd, but also we were told that f of 3 is equal to 8. So what does that mean? That means that a to the 3rd power is equal to 8. Well, if you take the cube root of both sides, you'll see that that means a is 2. Okay, a is 2, so our original function, remember, which was a to the x, is actually 2 to the x, right? Because a is 2. Okay, so we use this piece of information to find out what a is, and now we're going to find f of 5 by plugging it in. We have 2 to the 5th power. F of 5 is 2 to the 5th, and 2 to the 5th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Turns out that's 32. Okay, so if f of x is a to the x, we are given the piece of information that f of 3 is 8. That allowed us to find that a was 2, and so therefore we could find f of 5. F of 5 is 2 to the 5th. Okay, let's do one more, just like this. Again, it's basically the same type of problem. If f of x equals a to the x and f of 2 is 100, then find f of 3. And again, you can assume a is a positive number. Well, again, f of 2 is going to be a squared, right? Because plug in 2 for x here. But f of 2, we're also told, is equal to 100. So if f of 2 is a squared and f of 2 is 100, that means a squared has to equal 100. Okay, well, what does that mean a is? Well, a could be plus or minus 10. Okay, a could be 10 or it could be negative 10, but actually we're told we're to assume that a is greater than 0, so we can write a as 10. Okay, so what we have, our original function is actually f of x equals 10 to the x, and so f of 3 will be 10 to the 3rd power, which is 1,000, right? 10 times 10 times 10.